Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate OneSignal push notifications for your React Native app. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate OneSignal push notifications for your React Native app, start by creating an account on OneSignal's website. Once you are logged in, click on the Add App button. Next, enter a name for your app and select the platform, which in this case is React Native. After that, you will be directed to follow the on-screen instructions to install the OneSignal SDK. If you haven't already, navigate to your React Native project directory in your terminal. Run the command to install the OneSignal React Native SDK using npm or yarn. After installing, link the OneSignal package to your project. You can do this by using the command for automatic linking, or manually link it if you're using an older version of React Native. Now, configure OneSignal in your application code. Import OneSignal in the main file of your project, typically app.js. Next, initialize OneSignal using your OneSignal app ID, which you can find on the OneSignal dashboard. Make sure to call the initialization method inside a useEffect hook or in the component didMount lifecycle method. For Android, ensure you have the correct permissions set in your Android manifest.xml. Add the required permissions for internet access and wake lock if they are not already present. Now, configure the notification handlers to manage foreground and background notifications. You can set up handlers using OneSignal's provided functions to handle notification received and opened events. Next, build your app for both Android and iOS to ensure the OneSignal configuration is applied. On Android, you can run the command to start your app on an emulator or physical device. For iOS, make sure you have CocoaPods installed, then run pod install. After building your app, test the push notifications by sending a test notification from your OneSignal dashboard. In your OneSignal dashboard, navigate to the Messages section and create a new message. Select your app, choose the audience, and fill in the message details before sending it. Finally, check your React Native app to see if the notification appears as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.